Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. Let's prepare some travel outfit, and they are for traveling. So, all one of the condition is that there's no wrinkles and comfortable and relaxed, loose. So 3 or 4 conditions: comfortable, relaxed, no wrinkle, easy to wash, I can fold it, and lightweight, and cover up, not too showing too much. Okay, let's see this one. This one is a little bit too short, but I have bike shorts. Solve the problem. So very comfortable. And has pocket, even extra. Good one. Pass. Now this one. No pocket, but very light, very elastic, and not too shiny color, and dirt tolerant, and some of a little bit dash, a dash of sugar, a dash of soup, kind of tolerant. And I have my bike shorts. Solve all the problem. Pass. Even without bike shorts, it is good enough, and with bike shorts, even more reliable. And with a collar, no pocket, it's okay. Very easy to walk. Pass. Okay, so this one I am a little bit hesitating. It's comfortable and large and relaxed, but there is one problem. It's a little teeny tiny little bit heavy. You can see it. And there is pocket. It's always the good things, but I maybe just use it at home instead of traveling. It's if I do need this kind of clothes, maybe I can buy a new one. But for traveling, this is just might be too heavy. This one is my all-time travel must, because it's just so very light, It's made of kind of crinkle. You can see it's transparent, but there is an undergarment in it, and so light, never wrinkles. This one is a must. I definitely take this one. No pocket, but it's okay. I can put a bag or somewhere. A must. And a little sweater on top of it. Just perfect. And easy to move. I can walk large step. Or small step. Yeah, it's a must, this one, approved.